Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform knuckleball free kick. In order to perform knuckleball free kick, use right analog and position it in the center of the ball. Look at the line going from the ball, it's a little bit curved. You can now push the analog upwards or downwards to change height of the shot. Now simply press shoot button and release it just after the third line. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.